Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the browser so Ublock can run in Incognito. This is why we change extension permissions now. Open your extension manager, locate Ublock, and toggle Allow in Incognito. This grants the extension access when normal browsing is disabled. Once done, make sure Ublock is installed and up to date, and restart the browser to apply permission changes. This avoids unpredictable behavior and ensures filtering works immediately when you open private tabs, so you can test right away. Next, configure Ublock for the private context. You do this because Incognito isolates site data, but not extension rules. Open Ublock's dashboard, enable recommended filter lists like Easy List and Privacy Lists, then add any custom rules under My Filters. Make sure to update lists and purge the cache so rules apply cleanly. Once configured, open an Incognito tab and run the logger to observe blocked requests. This helps you refine rules and confirm that the extension is active in the private session. Finally, validate functionality and fix problems quickly. You should visit several sites in Incognito and confirm trackers and ads are blocked. If something fails, disable other extensions to check for conflicts. If issues persist, reset Ublock to default settings or reinstall to remove corrupted data. Make sure you always check the browser's per extension Incognito permission toggle first, since that single switch is the common culprit. If you follow these steps, Ublock will run reliably in private windows, and you'll understand why.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.